Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals crashing on the PC. I have a couple of different methods, so try not to skip any steps. The first method is to verify the game files on Steam. So open up Steam, go to the library on the top, find Marvel Rivals in your library, right click on it, go to Properties. From here you want to disable the overlay. So click on this should be off. And while you're here on the left hand side, go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for it to finish. This takes a couple of minutes, but see if this resolves your problem. Okay, let's go on to method number 2. So in the Start menu on the bottom left, type in Run. And from here, type in %mark local app data, all one word, %mark, and hit Enter. And then scroll down and then you will see a Marvel folder. Click on that. From here you're gonna see a saved folder, click on that. And from here you're gonna see a crashes folder, so click on that. My folder is empty, but if you have anything in the folder, you want to press Ctrl A to select everything in the folder and then delete it and then empty your recycle bin. That should work. Launch it again to see if it is still a problem. If it is not yet fixed, move on to step number 3. So step number 3, go to Search, type in Settings, go to Windows Update and update your Windows. Yes, this does fix the problem occasionally. After you have done that, go to Start menu, go to Device Manager, open it, expand display adapters. You're gonna see your display adapter, your graphics card. Right click on it and go update driver, and then choose search automatically for drivers, and you might need to update them automatically anyway. So you should, if you're an NVIDIA, download the NVIDIA app. It is free and very useful. And from here you go to drivers, and then it will basically look for any new drivers, and then it will ask you to install them. If there are new drivers, you need to install them. This solves an amazing amount of problems for many people. Okay, the next method. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Display, and scroll down until you see Graphics on the bottom. Now from here you're gonna see Marvel Rivals. You can search for it or add an app if you don't see it, but I see it right here. And you want the GPU performance to be high performance. Okay, after you have done that, the last thing I recommend is a software called Exit Lag. This is very useful. If you're getting a 99% loading error, this does help. That is usually a connection error, and this helps your connection. This is basically a VPN that finds the lowest servers, the closest servers to where you are, so the ping gets much lower. My ping in Path of Exile 2 is averaging 5, yes 5. It also can boost your FPS by minimizing priority for other background services, etc, etc, etc. It is very good. It is free for 3 days and $5 a month after that. I have 3 codes, so if you actually are interested, these codes are completely free for 7 days. Give them a try. I'm going to put a link in the video description and the top comment below. And that is it. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.